Hi, my name is Krista. I'm from Destin, Florida, and I just can't tell you how satisfied and relieved I am after finding Pristine Maids cleaning service. I had a really hard time trying to find the right service to work with because you really never know who to trust, and you just don't want to let anyone into your home. Well, Pristine Maids has completely exceeded every expectation that I had. All of their cleaning professionals have had thorough background checks, so you can actually trust the people that you're working with. They're licensed, bonded, insured, so you don't have to worry about any problems. Their staff was really friendly and patient with me because I have a pretty busy household, but they were really nice. Their prices were really affordable, and you get much more than what you actually can find anywhere else. They've been around for over 20 years. I really wouldn't recommend anyone else to my friends and family. They're really easy to work with, and you're going to love them. You're just going to love them. So try Pristine Maids. Guys, you're the best, and thank you so much.